Hey guys, it's Sarah and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are here testing out some new makeup. I'm really excited actually. If you guys follow me on Instagram, I'll leave it down below. You guys would have saw I love doing like an unboxing and showing you guys what I get in the mail from PR and from different companies. So you guys would have seen everything that I got, but if you haven't and you're just, my YouTube fan, that's okay too. So I have some stuff from Mercier, which I'm so excited to test out. That is what this video is going to be, is just testing out all Mercier products. But I also want to talk about some Pixie products they sent me and just tell you guys how I've been liking them because I've been using it. I think I'm going to do a dedicated video to this. They recently sent me this. This is Carbon Cocoa and it's the magnetic charcoal mask. So I'm really excited to test this out. If you guys want to see a dedicated video just to this, let me know down below because of course I want to do anything that you guys don't care to see. So if you guys are interested in seeing that, let me know. I'm really intrigued to try. I've never tried like a magnetic mask before, so I'm excited. But anyway, most of this video is going to be testing out Mercier makeup because like I said, it did send me a bunch of things, so I'm super excited. And yeah, so if you guys haven't already, please subscribe down below. And if you guys want to see me testing out some new makeup, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I want to let you guys know from now on, you guys know I usually list my products in my description bar. But I figured since if you're going to look in the description bar, it's because you actually want to buy the products and you're interested. So now you can just go on to Like to Know It, which is an app. I'll leave it down below for you guys. This is not a sponsored video. It's not an ad. I just want to let you guys know that you can follow me on Like to Know It and shop all of my makeup looks and beauty products that I mention in every single video instantly. So you go to the app, you follow me, and every beauty product I talk about in my videos, you can instantly shop, click it right away, and go right to the link and buy the product. So it's so much easier that way. I do get a little bit of commission if you do buy the product. So hopefully you guys understand that a little bit. I'm kind of bad at explaining, but enough rambling about that. Let's go ahead and get started. So as you guys see, I already have my brows on, looking very bushy, which I'm actually living for. And I love my Ardell pencil. I actually talked about this on Instagram. Again, if you don't follow me, make sure you follow me. But I posted like my beauty everyday favorites. And this was one of them, the Ardell micro pen. And it gets like the most gorgeous, bushy, natural brows. I just used this and then my Anastasia Clear Brow Gel. And these two are amazing together. So that's what I have on my brows today. So let's go ahead and get started. So Mercier, I love Mercier. They're my favorite high-end makeup brand. They are so cute. Like the products, the packaging is so cute, so sleek. And I got a bunch of new makeup in this little cute makeup bag, which I love. Again, if you guys want to shop all this, I'll leave it down below on my Like to Know It app. But I'm really excited. So I already have my brows on and my eyelids primed. They did send me their stick eye colors, which you guys know I have tested them out before in a video and I really like them. They're super easy just to apply right on the lid, but I haven't tried these colors. We have rose gold and we have cocoa, so I think we can kind of use both to kind of get like a really nice smoky eye look, which I'm excited about. We have these really pretty colors right here. As you guys see, you have like a rose gold and then a dark brown, so I think I'm going to use this one on the outer corner and then use this one all over the lid. So let's try it out. I'm excited. Let me zoom you in a little bit. So we are zoomed in. So first I'm going to go in with the Mercier stick eye color in the shade Cocoa. Like I said, it's just a really nice dark brown. Has a little bit of shimmer in there, but not too much. I love these, like I said. They're really easy to glide on the lid when you're in a rush, and they're really great. Okay, so I'm going to take this and just apply this. Look at that. So pigmented. I'm going to apply this against my lash line. I'm going to take any clean pointed pencil brush and just blend this. Okay, so we have that color down right there in Cocoa. So pretty. As you guys saw, it was so easy to blend out and apply on the eye, which was great. I love those. So I'm now going to go in with the lid shade, which once again is in Rose Gold. So I'm just going to take this and apply this all over my lid. Oh my gosh, look at that. So pretty. So they did send me a mascara, which I'm super excited about. I didn't even know they had a mascara. This right here is the Mercier Panoramic Mascara, which I'm excited for. It's in the shade Glossy Black. And I'm always looking for some good new mascaras because it's hard to find good mascaras. I like spidery lashes, so I'm excited. I love that mascara. So that is it with 2 coats on each side. I really love it. If you're not into like spidery lashes, you might not like this, Well, I just think it makes them look so natural but so pretty, like, at the same time. I really like that a lot. Again, everything will be in my Like to Know It app if you want to shop that. So they sent me so many new face products. I'm really, really excited. So let me zoom you guys out and we'll get started on the face. Okay, so they sent me nothing new for primer, but since we're using Laura Mercier, I'm going to be using my favorite Laura Mercier foundation, primer, and hydrating. I love this one. So I'm just going to apply this on my entire face. I want to talk to you guys a little bit about the Pixie stuff. Again, if you follow me on Instagram, you would have saw they sent me their whole new Milky collection. And oh my gosh, I used it so far for 2 days and I'm loving it. I don't know if you guys can see a difference in my skin, but it's just so, so good. If you guys want to see like a little demo, maybe a YouTube video, or even like an Instagram video using those products, because it's hard to do skincare videos sometimes, and like especially in the bathroom because you have to wash your face and stuff. So let me know if you guys want to see me trying those stuff out. But they sent me so much. It's right here. Their whole Milky collection. So you have like the toner, the treatment, the moisturizer, you have a peel mask, a cleanser, a makeup remover. So if you guys want to see all that in action, let me know down below because I'm really loving it so far. I'll keep you guys updated, but so far I'm really, really liking it. Again, that also already is listed in my Like to Know It app if you guys want to purchase those, but I've really been liking that. Okay, so now that it's nice and prime, I'm also just going to spray a little bit of this Pixie Glow Mist on. Okay, so now I don't have foundation from them. I don't know if they even have a foundation, Laura Mercier. Actually, yeah, they definitely do, but I don't have one. So we're going to be using the Nars Natural Radiant Foundation. You guys already know. So now for concealer, you guys already know. Same thing, Too Faced Born This Way Sculpting Concealer in Snow. So I'm just going to breeze right through this and just put this on the center of my face. You guys know the drill. Okay, so now we have something new. Laura Mercier sent me their secret brightening powder for under eyes, and I am so excited because I said in my story that I've been looking for something that will brighten my under eyes, because even if I put, like you guys know, I used a lighter concealer than my foundation and it still looks the exact same. Nothing looks brightened to me because I am so pale, so it really is hard to kind of brighten the under eyes and kind of keep the face a different color just because I am so pale. So I'm really excited about this. This is what it looks like right here. I cannot wait. Okay, so I have this brush. They sent me the Glow Powder brush. Now, what is this for? Where did I put that? You guys see, it's like a mess in here. So the Glow Powder brush, so directions, here we go. The Glow Powder brush can be used with any Laura Mercier Luminous Face Powder. Okay, so I guess I can use it with this. Should we use it with this? I don't know. Should I use it with this? I don't know. I don't have the other brush they were talking about. Okay, so this is what the brightening powder looks like. So I'm just going to take off the Swifter sticker. I love how this is Swifter. It's like my favorite thing. Okay, so I'm just going to, it's just white. Oh, I'm scared. It's white. It literally is just white. So I'm going to take this brush. It's a lot. And I'm scared. I'm so scared. I'm scared. I'm just going to tap that right under the eyes. That brush is nice, like the perfect size. Because look at the shape it is. It's so weird, but it's like perfect. Look at that. Is it brighten? Maybe I'll do this after I bronze too to see. Tap it off. Anywhere else did I put that concealer? Ooh, that looks so good. I don't know if it's brightening per se. I mean, what do you guys think? I think I have to bronze a little bit. I definitely can see a little bit of brightness. Definitely. Oh my god, it's making my skin look so flawless. Do you guys see that? It looks so flawless. Laura Mercier did it again. So now we're going to bronze. You guys already know my favorite Laura Mercier #1 bronzer. This broke. That's why the mirror right here broke. But I still use it because it's my fave. So we're just going to bronze up the skin, because I am feeling so pale. But look at this. This is like the best bronzer. If you guys are looking for a bronzer, you need to get this one. Whether it's in this shade or another one, they have other shades, but this bronzer is just overall the best bronzer I've ever used. Like, look at that. It's so good. I could go really ham with the bronzer. I gotta control myself because it just makes the look. Okay, so now we're all bronzed. I'm going to go back in. Actually, let's go ahead and finish the eyes first because I'm really excited about some of the face products that I also have here. I have a blush from them, which I'm super, super excited for. And I also want to use that powder again for the under eyes just to kind of brighten up a little bit more. So let's finish the under eyes. So I'm just going to take that same cocoa stick and I'm actually going to take it on a flat brush instead of putting it directly on my eyes because that could be a little bit too harsh. So taking a flat brush and taking a little bit of that and applying it right below. Just smoking it out from inner to outer. I don't want anything too crazy. Alright, so then I'm going to go back into that shade we used on the lid in the shade Rose Gold. I just apply this in my inner corner a little bit. And that's pretty much it. And then I'm just going to go back in with their mascara. I'm just going to take that and use that again. Take that same brush and just pat this. See, it does offer brightening, but it's a little bit white, so you definitely have to kind of blend it. Oh yeah, that's pretty. I love that so much. It provides such a smooth under eye by still making it brightened, but not like super white. So I really, really like that a lot. This brush is like perfect for it. It has the perfect shape. Look at that. So I'm excited. I never tried any of their blushes. They sent me this one in Rose. You guys already know. Look how gorgeous that is. It's so pretty. So I'm just going to take that same brush I used for the bronzer. That is so pretty. It's like the perfect wedding blush. Wow. That's really, really pretty. I love that. Wow. I'm going to keep applying. I'm going to be applying too much, but it's just so pretty. I love blush. It's my favorite. I think I love it more than bronzer. I think it just adds to the look. Like, it makes the whole entire look. I gotta stop using that, otherwise I'll do too much, but I really like that. I'm just gonna blend that all out. They sent me a puff. I totally forgot to use this, but I'm actually going to use this because I have so many proms coming up that I have to do because I do freelance makeup. So this is perfect. Like Nikki Tutorial, she like puts it on her hand to hold it up against their face while she's doing their makeup. So I forgot to try that, but next time. But I definitely be using that when doing people's makeup. So that's cool. So they didn't send me a highlight, so I'm just going to be taking this one by Laura Mercier, my favorite, in number 1. And just applying that. Like, look at that. I love this highlight. It's so, so good. It gives you like that wet look. Just gonna set my face with that Pixie Glow Mist again. Okay, so I'm really loving this look. Now we're gonna be applying lip. They sent me 2. So these ones right here, I think I'm gonna be using the nude one. These are Laura Mercier's Rouge Essential Silky Cream Lipsticks. I've never tried these before, so I'm really excited. They sent me one in Rouge Alt Time and then Beige In Time. This one's more of a red, this one's more of a beige, so I think I'm going to go in with this one for today just because it kind of goes with the look a little bit more. Look at this packaging. It's so gorgeous. See, Laura Mercier has the most beautiful packaging. Look at that. And look at the curve of that lipstick. Oh, okay. Let's try this out. I love it. It's so creamy. Feels so hydrating. That's really pretty. That kind of looks like my lip color, but just a little bit more enhanced. I really love this. And as you guys know, I say it all the time. I'm not a lipstick person, but this color, I definitely could wear this every day. It's like I said, it's like your lip color, but enhanced. I really like that. Okay, guys, so this completes the finished look right here. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. I loved everything. Laura Mercier never disappoints. So if you guys do want to shop these products, make sure you follow me on Like to Know It. I'll leave it down below for you guys so you can shop all these products instantly. But yes, if you guys do want to see the Pixie Milky Collection in action, make sure you follow me on Instagram. I'll leave it down below. We'll be posting a short video using the products. And then again, if you guys want to see the Carbon Cocoa Magnetic Mask, let me know down below. But yes, this completes the finished look. I really loved how everything turned out. But yes, if you guys haven't already, please subscribe. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.